Nobel laureates in India. Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee, born in 1961. Mumbai-born economist Abhijit Vinayak Banerjee won the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences in 2019. The 58-year-old, half Konkani, half Bengali economist is the Ford Foundation International Professor of Economics at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology in Cambridge. He spent his early life in West Bengal and studied in the University of Kolkata. Later, he reached his post-graduation degree in economics from New Delhi's Jawaharlal Nehru University in 1983. He went on to obtain a PhD in economics from the Harvard University in 1988. He shared the prestigious Global Award with his economist wife Esther Duflo and another US-based economist Michelle Kramer for their experimental approach to elevating global poverty. Kailash Satyarthi, born in 1954, the Nobel Peace Prize of 2014 was awarded to Kailash Satyarthi for struggle against the suppression of children and young people and for the right of all children to education. Satyarthi was born in Vidisha, Madhya Pradesh. He completed his degree in electrical engineering and a postgraduate degree in high voltage engineering. In 1980, he left his career as an electrical engineer to set up Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Save Childhood Movement. He also heads the Global March Against Child Labor, a movement to mobilize worldwide efforts to protect and promote the rights of all children. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, born in 1952. Venkataraman Ramakrishnan was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 2009 for studies of the structure and function of the ribosome, molecular machine that makes protein. He was born in Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Ramakrishnan earned his BSc in Physics in 1971 from MS University in Baroda, Gujarat and PhD in 1976 in Physics from Ohio University in the USA. Making a transition from physics to biology, he studied a molecule called rhodopsin as a graduate student in biology at the University of California, San Diego from 1976 to 1978. Amartya Sen, born in 1933. Professor Amartya Sen is the recipient of the Nobel Prize for Economics for the year 1998, becoming the first Asian to have been honored with the award. The Shantiniketan-born economist who is pioneer in welfare economics has to his credit several books and papers on aspects of welfare and development. An economist with a difference, Professor Sen is a humanist. He has distinguished himself with his outstanding writings on famine, poverty, democracy, gender, and social issues. The impossibility theorem suggested earlier by Kenneth Arrow states that it was not possible to aggregate individual choices into a satisfactory choice for society as a whole. Professor Sen showed mathematically that societies could find ways to elevate such a poor outcome. Subramanian Chandrasekhar, 1910-1995. The Nobel Prize for Physics in 1983 was awarded to Dr. S. Chandrasekhar, an Indian-born astrophysicist. Educated in Presidency College, Chennai, Dr. Chandrasekhar happened to be the nephew of his Nobel forebear Sir C.V. Raman. He later migrated to the United States where he authored several books on astrophysics and stellar dynamics. He developed a theory on white dwarf stars which posed a limit of mass of dwarf stars, known also as Chandrasekhar limit. His theory explains the final stages of stellar elevation. Mother Teresa, born in 1910. The Nobel Peace Prize was awarded to Mother Teresa in 1978 of Albanian parentage. Agnes Gonza Bojoksio was born on August 26, 1910 in the town of Skopje in the former Yugoslavia, now North Macedonia. She joined the Irish Order of the Sisters of Laratu at Dublin in 1928 and came to Kolkata in 1929 as a missionary, only to find the misery of the abundant and the destitute. Concern for the poor and the sick promoted her to found a new congregation, Missionaries of Charity. Having become an Indian citizen, Mother Teresa served the cause of dying destitutes, leprosy, and drug addicts through Nirmal Hriday, meaning pure heart. The main center of her activity, her selfless service and unique devotion not only to helpless fellow Indians but also to the cause of world peace, earned her and India the first Nobel Peace Prize. Har Gobind Khurana, born in 1922, left in 2011. Har Gobind Khurana was awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1968. Of Indian origin, Dr. Khurana was born in Raipur, Punjab, now in Pakistan. He took his doctoral degree in chemistry from Liverpool University and joined the University of Wisconsin as a faculty member in 1960. His major breakthrough in the field of medicine, interpreting the genetic code and analyzing its function in protein synthesis, fetched him the Nobel Prize. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, born in 1970, India's first Nobel Prize for Physics was claimed in 1930 by the renowned physicist Sir C.V. Raman, born on Tiruvannamalai near Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. Raman studied at Presidency College, Chennai. Later, he served as Professor of Physics at Kolkata University, recipient of many honors and awards, including the title of Sir. Sir C.V. Raman received the Nobel Prize for an important optics research in which he discovered that diffusion light contained rays of other wavelengths, what is now popularly known as the Raman effect. His theory, discovered in 1928, explains the change in the frequency of light passing through a transparent medium. Rabindranath Tagore, 1861-1941. Rabindranath Tagore was the first Indian ever to receive a Nobel Prize, popularly known as Gurudev. India's poet laureate Tagore was born on May 7, 1861 in Kolkata. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in recognition of his work Gitanjali, a collection of poems. In 1913, Tagore wrote many love lyrics. Gitanjali and Sadhana are among his important work. The poet, dramatist, and novelist is also the author of India's national anthem. In 1901, he founded the famous Shantiniketan, which later came to be known as Visva Bharati University.